Going to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Come over here, Big Bird. Grab your microphone. Colin's going to improvise a scene. He has to respond to the sound effects left by Ryan on a specially made spit-proof microphone. The scene is, on the day before her wedding, Colin, oh my God. Hey, I didn't write, I didn't make this, I had nothing to do with this. On the day before her wedding, Colin, an overweight bride-to-be, realizes she doesn't fit into her dress. Desperate, she goes to an exercise club. Go ahead.
Look at that. Look at her.